the legend turns. The 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is here, bringing back one of the most iconic muscle cars in history. Ford has taken everything enthusiasts loved about the original Boss 429 and reimagined it for the modern era, blending raw power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, Ford has packed a monster, a 7.3L Godzilla V8 engine tuned specifically for the Boss 429. This naturally aspirated beast produces a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower and 690 VFT of torque, making it one of the most powerful Mustangs ever built. Mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic, the Boss 429 is engineered for speed and pure muscle car dominance. One look at the exterior and it's clear that this Mustang means business. The aggressive front fascia features a redesigned grille with massive air intakes, ensuring optimal cooling for the high-performance engine. A functional hood scoop pays homage to the original Boss 429, while flared fenders house massive 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. The wide stance and muscular body lines give it an intimidating presence, making it a true street beast. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit built for performance. Premium leather bucket seats with Alcantara inserts provide maximum support, while a flat Bema steering wheel wrapped in carbon fiber adds to the race-ready feel. The digital gauge cluster displays real-time performance data, and a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Ford's Sync 5 ensures seamless connectivity. With features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, the Boss 429 balances raw power with modern luxury. But the real magic happens when you put the pedal to the metal. The 2025 Boss 429 rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds, thanks to its finely tuned suspension and launch control system. The MagnaRide adaptive suspension ensures precise handling, keeping the car planted whether you're tearing up the track or cruising down the highway. Massive Brembo brakes provide superior stopping power, while an active exhaust system delivers a thunderous roar that turns heads everywhere. Ford has also included track-focused features, such as an electronic limited slip differential, a high downforce rear wing, and a full underbody aerodynamic package for maximum stability. With multiple drive modes, including track, drag, and sport, the Boss 429 adapts to any driving situation, giving you total control over its monstrous power. Limited to only 1,500 units, the 2025 Mustang Boss 429 is an instant collector's item. Ford has meticulously crafted each model to honor its legendary predecessor, while pushing the limits of modern performance. From its roaring V8 to its aggressive styling and advanced technology, this Mustang isn't just a car, it's an experience. For those lucky enough to get behind the wheel, the 2025 Boss 429 isn't just about speed, it's about reliving history and unleashing the full potential of American muscle. Ford has once again proven that the Mustang is more than just a car. It's a legacy,